I'm just giving an example. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Within a minute, you can touch the airport building. Example.
Okay.
Then you can consider this as I'm at the airport.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, Sonia. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm also good. It's very cold there. 20.
9 degrees Celsius.
Is it very cold?
Yes.
Nice.
That is the
Very
reason
nice.
why I want to live in Kathmandu.
You don't want to?
Sorry, I want to live in Kathmandu.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like the cold? One of my friends recently, she visited Nepal. So they had visited obviously Kathmandu and a few other. No, they did not visit Kathmandu. They visited other few places. Which is,
Pokhara?
I think, Pokhara. Is that your son behind you?
No.
You know, someone almost came like this
He's
and then they
watching
went.
TV.
I thought that was your son.
Oh.
9 degrees is so nice. 9 degrees
It's
is so
nice to stay in blanket and watch TV.
in the blanket.
Yeah. But I have to drop Divyam at school by scooty.
I have to drop Divyam to school.
To school by scooty.
By scooty. Okay.
In 7 degrees Celsius.
Understand what is the difference? 7 degrees Celsius. Understand the difference between to and at. If I'm going somewhere, I'm going to Sonia's place. If I'm in your, if I'm already there, if someone calls me asking where, I'll just say I'm at Sonia's place.
At.
Also, the difference between at and in. For example, I'm at the station is correct. I'm in the station is also correct. But there's a difference between the two. There's a lot of difference between the two. If this is the airport, or this is the station. If this is the station, if I'm here inside, then I'm in the airport.
Okay.
If I am in the airport or I'm near somewhere, then it is at. If you're near, as in just close to the airport. Not when I say close, not like not like 1 kilometer, maybe 50 meters, 100 meters. Like like within a minute. I'm just giving an example. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Within a minute, you can touch the airport building. Example.
Okay.
Then you can consider this as I'm at the airport.
Okay.
Like that. See, these are prepositions. These are prepositions.
Okay, so the one who is going to drop his friend, so he is at the airport, and his friend who went inside is in the airport. Okay, got it. Thanks.
When it comes to office or when it comes to home, it is always I'm at home or I'm at work. And I'll tell you why. Because when I tell you I'm at home, obviously I'm going to be inside, right?
Yes.
Same goes for work. If you call me, Sonia calls me and I say, Sonia, I'm busy. I'm at work. I'm working in my office.
It's confusing.
Understood? No, it's not confusing. Tell you why. Because when I tell you I'm at home, where will I be? Inside. When I tell you I'm at work, where will I be?
Inside.
Inside. That's why. I'm at work. I'm at home.
Okay.
What are you doing? I'm working. I'm talking to Sonia with that. That's how it works.
Okay.
These are very small things, but then these small things give a lot of meaning. And on occasion, they also change the meaning of the entire sentence.
Right.
Sentence goes.
I will focus on this.
It's not very, as in, how do I say, huge. It's not very huge, but then these things make a difference.
The problem with me is while speaking, I just don't think about speaking or making sentences. I I dive in my thoughts and just want to share. That's it. I need to focus on sentences.
So I'll tell you what, for this one, Sonia, it's not very difficult because right now, see, right now I'm speaking with you, and I'm also making sure that my English is correct. And it will take time. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you're focusing on your language, your rate of speech will go slow or you will speak slow. Because see, right now I'm speaking with you, and I am also able to construct correct sentences. Obviously, that will take some time. That will take practice. And on occasions when I'm speaking in Hindi, because my English is, I know my English is good because I only have learned English from the right people. But when it comes to Hindi, I have also heard Hindi of Mumbai. And Mumbai Hindi is a little not right Hindi. Sometimes I make mistakes there also. I make mistakes in Hindi also. And that's a very normal
I
thing.
speak
So,
Nepali as well. I
uh,
don't care about mistakes. That is
because you don't
also
make
a
mistakes, na?
reason. I'm making mistakes, but I'm not aware of them.
In
And
Nepali.
they don't correct me, even if I'm speaking incorrectly. So I
But
feel like, yeah, I'm speaking very well.
like that. But that's the thing, na? Like no one will correct you when you are speaking incorrect English. I'm also correcting you because because if I don't correct you,
No,
then you
no.
will not learn.
But we feel right. We are not good at it. That's why we feel like they will judge us in some way.
But that's the thing, na, Sonia. See, honestly, what difference does it make if someone judges you? This is something which a lot of people tell me. And I'm telling you, honestly, Sonia, don't
No,
get
no.
this thought
The
out of your
problem
head.
to me is I'm not afraid of. So I
Ah,
making less effort to learn. I speak with everyone if I
very good.
need
This
to.
is what very nice. But don't feel what will happen if people judge me, because people are going to judge you irrespective of everything. People will judge you.
I know.
You can do. Your son, I'm surprised your son still has his school.
No, it's Sunday. Divya,
Not
come
today,
here.
not today, not today. During the winters.
It will start from 23rd December.
Yes. That's a very nice thing because if he has that confidence in him, no, it's wonderful.
He took one of my sessions for 15 minutes.
Ah,
Yeah, and still he had so many questions left.
very good.
Yeah.
Very good. It's very nice. He is also at that age now where he's going to be asking questions to people.
Thousands of questions for a day.
That's how it's
I
supposed to
have
be.
to Google
I,
every time.
I, 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 I'll give you a tip which I do with my nephews. When they obviously they ask questions, right? So first is if I don't know the answer, no, I'll give them an educated guess and I tell them that this is what I think. Second is if something is a little obvious. Now you be the judge for this, okay? Again, I'm not a parent. I don't even have children. I'm still giving you this knowledge. Um, ask him why it is like this. Let him think. I do this with my
Let me
nephews a
ask
lot.
unusual questions. Like yesterday, he was asking me, like, ants eat other dead bodies, or
Ants.
so do they eat their own ants?
Okay. Ah, okay.
Answer
I
this.
think they bury them. I think they bury their dead bodies of their own. Maybe they eat them. I've never seen it, so I don't know.
So it comes with a maybe. So that's we don't know answer.
Hmm.
So I have to Google or do something or say I don't know really.
Hmm.
Okay, why do
Oh,
they
ask him
eat?
what do you think. Ask him what do you think. Ask him what does he think.
Mm,
Do
next time
this.
I'll do that.
Ah,
Mm.
ask him what do you
He has so many questions and I
think.
have no
Sure.
answer for them.
I'm sure he has many questions.
He sees any insect and asks me, what is it? So there are
Okay.
lakhs or how
I'm
billions of insects.
stopping you. I'm stopping you because you're over time. I don't know why I not got
Okay,
disconnected.
okay.
Give feedback. Sonia, you do make mistakes, but then I have always liked your confidence. And there's a lot of people that I can teach you English. English is difficult. It's not difficult to teach. Anyone can teach you English. Confidence is very difficult because it has to come from within you, majorly. Not everyone is a confident person. So that has always been a wonderful thing.
Thank you.
Very good. Welcome. And the funny thing is, before this call started, I had a slight headache because I've not eaten properly. But I'm speaking with you, the headache is reducing for some reason. I don't know.
Oh, thanks. It means a lot.
Totally.
Yeah. No, I feel
So I have a
more,
blood.
comfortable with known one.
Known people. True.
Yeah.
That happens to all of us.
So what was the topic for today?
Today's topic was
Sorry.
human cloning.
Human cloning.
Mm. Would you like to do human? Would you like to clone yourself, or do you support human cloning?
It won't think like we think about things, right? So definitely no.
Clone would be uh, exactly like you,
Look wise.
but yeah, the thought process would be different. For example, right now, if you are thinking A, the other person, your clone could think B, like that.
I have
And even the thought process would be the
watched
same.
a series called Uploading. So in that
Uploading
they capture thoughts in and they store
thoughts.
thoughts of a person and they store it.
Hmm.
And then they make body with their
Okay.
DNA and all, and they
Hmm.
upload it on that person.
In that person.
In that person, sorry. So it could be okay with me, but because I recently lost my one of my nearest uncle.
Oh.
I still see him in my dreams, like talking to him, and I don't want to, you know, uh, come over it. I want to talk to him always.
Overcome it.
Yeah. So it could be, but cloning is not good because thought process will change definitely. We connect with people with their thoughts and the memories we make. We don't
Right.
count their looks.
True.
Yeah.
I feel like my answer is subjective. And depending on the situation, cloning makes sense. For example, you said about your uncle. Like the first person who came to my mind is my mother. I lost my mother a few years ago in 2015. Obviously, if I see her back again, it was a huge thing. But then you're right. You know the memories. You don't want like even if they come back, it's a shadow of them. It's not the real person.
Yeah.
And you are connected with a real person. Like at the back of your mind, you know that this is not my mother. This is just a clone.
Yes. We can't connect with clones the way we connect with our loved ones, right?
We will not be able to connect with
We
clones.
will
Will
not
not
be able
future
to
tense.
connect. Yeah.
All right. For now, I'll close this call. And for next weekend, I'm not available. I'm going to be out and busy.
Okay.
You have any sessions left?
This for today? No.
No, for this next week.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I subscribed for 3 months.
Okay. So next